some of you will know that I've been on the lookout for, not a mini-me, that's a bit patronising, isn't it? But somebody who can...
I'm a bit shorter, so maybe.
You are a bit. Yeah. There was somebody who can take up the slack of my work, really. So we thought about a job title, operations director, sales director, but we ended up going for chief operations officer, which sounds very grand, doesn't it? But the reason I wanted Darren on board, and I interviewed a lot of really good people, but Darren is a bit of a left field appointment. I don't think you'll mind me saying that, because although he has great experience in real estate, he also comes to us from a real heavyweight background of presenting, TV presenting, presenter training, which is perfect for what we're looking to do with the business, which is to take it more video-based. And also he's a lovely guy, and we all get on with him, we all like him for the time being, until he makes an official start next month and gets to know all about us. Then the reality will hit home. No, he's a lovely guy, he's going to be a great member of the team, but also somebody who can lead the team and the business forward while I semi-retire. No, that's not going to happen. But so Darren, welcome on board.
Well, thanks. It's absolutely super to be here. I mean, it's very exciting, and I've been on the coast for 11 years now, and I've always heard about Cloud9 as one of the leading real estate companies on the coast. So it's a real honour to be actually sat here with you now, looking at the future and looking at where the markets are going, and incorporating my skill set with the team members, and also the power of harnessing video.
Absolutely. It's really weird because when you meet people, I mean, I interviews, if you like, they can last an hour, they can last 2 hours. But when I met Darren for the first time, actually, because we were looking at doing some work with the team, weren't we? And when you just meet someone and you're sitting there having a coffee and you look at your watch and like 2 hours has gone by and you haven't even discussed what you were there to discuss. And it was a bit like that with you. And I think that's really healthy. I think we're well aligned. And look, I've been running this business for 21 years, and I think it's really important that if I'm going to give up an element of control, and everyone knows I'm a control freak, that I can get someone into the team who has the same kind of beliefs, the same, I don't know, just a similar state of mind. And I hope I found that with you. And so I'm really excited as well to have you on board. I know it's a big decision for you. But I think that, your skill set will be perfect for what we're trying to do.
I think it's important also to keep the essence of Cloud9, the vision, and take it towards the future in a positive way, embracing what the future holds in terms of marketing, in terms of video, in terms of how we deal with business and clients, and more importantly, the client's experience, giving them what Cloud9 has always given them, but taking it maybe to the next level.
Exactly.
It's very exciting.
And that's how I feel with the team. Sometimes I'm sure there's plenty of business owners out there who will this will resonate with that. Sometimes you can have weekly meetings or monthly meetings with a team, and after 21 years they get a bit fed up with what you're saying, and they need to hear a fresh voice. And I think with you, we've certainly got that, and really looking to forward to having you on board. And some of you may know Darren from his background. He's not shy of getting in front of the camera, so some of you may already know him. But this will be an opportunity for you to get to know him in a different way. And he's got he's been here a long time actually. And he's got great real estate experience. So looking forward to harnessing all those skills and talents really.
Yeah, I think what would be lovely as well, Sean, is that we're going to do a lot more video. We're going to do some property tours. We're going to do the fireside sessions where we're just talking about the industry and answering questions, maybe questions that people have always wanted to ask and felt a bit embarrassed to ask, thinking, is that an obviously silly question? And it's not really, is it? And so all of these things coming together to help the buying experience, and also with the world of video, that somebody can look at a property tour from the comfort of their home in, whether it be New York,
Newcastle,
yeah. It could be the Isle of Wight, favourite place, and actually get a true idea of what that property is all about before coming out and meeting yourself or me on camera, so that there's a friendly face waiting for them when they arrive.
Absolutely. And I think what we're keen to do, isn't it, is to maintain that kind of style that we've had so far. I mean, we agree that we're not the sort of company, not the sort of people who are going to be prancing around in Lamborghinis and jumping.
That's a shame. I wanted a Lamborghini. Come on.
I know.
Wasn't that the company car, right?
Yeah. I wouldn't be able to get out. Well, that's the problem. But I think we just wanted to keep it real, didn't we? I think people do appreciate that. They want to know that we're honest, that we're trustworthy, that we've been around the block and probably made a few mistakes, but that we can advise from a position of trust and professionalism. And I think we'll be able to maintain that. So yeah, no Lamborghinis, no jumping out of helicopters. Maybe not.
It's a shame.
Unless you've got a parachute. But no, welcome on board, sir. Great
Thank you very much indeed. It's an absolute pleasure. Thank you. It's very clean and honest, which is... Action!